1% luck, 1% talent, 98% never give up, 100% success formula. I will always choose a lazy person to do a difficult job because he will find an easy way to do it. Never forget why you started. The more you believe in yourself, the future you will go. Attack your goals like your life depends on it. Hustle until your haters ask if you are hiring. Stay positive, better days are on their way. Be nicer to your customers than your competitors. Nothing can stand in the way of absolute belief and confidence. When people says you can't, don't reply them with words. Money is a tool, not the goal. Freedom is the goal. Don't forget that. Local minded people will never understand global minded goals. Habits is equal to future. Change is hard at first, messy in the middle, and gorgeous at the end. Live life on your own terms.